Today we're going to be trying out this little handy dandy wheel stud puller installer. Basically how it works is your nut sits on this side. You can see the taper so it matches the nut, just like so. Then it's got a bearing in it, so this sits against the face of the hub and allows that to rotate while you're driving the nut down. Basically reduces resistance a little bit. Alright, I will say I already cheated. I installed two on the other end to try it out ahead of time. Got it on Amazon. I think it's about 20-25 bucks. Not a bad deal. So we're going to be installing these studs. 1/2 inch 20 thread, pretty standard. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil just to kind of help it thread in a little bit easier. So put your stud in, slide your tool over, pick a lug nut, voila. Alright, just like so. I'm going to cheat and use my impact. I'm guessing they probably don't recommend impact on the tool, but it's easier than trying to do it by hand, especially since I have the axle off. So yeah, here we go. All right. I will say the puller I have is probably a little bit too small, and what's happening is when I pull the stud in, the back of the puller is getting caught on that shoulder. I'll show you here in a second. So you got to tap it back loose. Alright, I'm going to put the nut on there so it doesn't come flying off. So I just tap it loose like so. And yeah, she comes right off. Pretty simple. I'm going to swing it around and you can watch it from the back. And we'll do one more. A little bit of oil. Put the tool on. I think that's the same lug nut. Hopefully it won't strip. I assume you can use the same lug nut more than once. We'll find out here in a second. Alright, should have a good view there. Here we go. We're going to stop right there. Same deal, like I said, it gets stuck on there, so like it can still turn. There's still room between the seat on the hub and the actual tool, but I think it's getting caught on that shoulder. Anyway, nothing I can't handle. And yeah, pretty much that simple. I can already feel the bearings a little bit kind of like crusty when I turn it, so I'm guessing that impact probably making it not very happy, but it seems to work well. Seems to be less resistance than trying to do like washers in between, you know, put the nut on backward and try and pull it in. I used to always do it that way, but found this thing and wanted to give it a try. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm always surprised when I stumble upon a YouTube creator who has millions of subscribers, has been producing videos for years, and is completely unknown to me. I would like to help correct this issue by giving some of my favorite creators a shout out during my videos. To that end, I would like to take this opportunity to spotlight one of my fellow YouTube creators, someone I personally subscribe to. If you find my content interesting, please consider going down to the video's description and follow the link I have placed there. The link will take you to today's chosen creator. But for now, please stay tuned for any bloopers related to this video. Thank you, everyone. And just like that, I strip it out. Damn it. Well, that sucks.